Hey everyone, hello. Myself Dr. Rakhi Anand from Dr. Rakhi Anand Physiotherapy and Lifestyle Clinic. So today I am going to talk about pelvic floor exercises. Yes, pelvic floor plays an important role in our life. As we grow older, our pelvic floor muscle get weakened. These pelvic floor muscles are the very less focused muscle. We always focus on our upper extremities, lower extremity, but our pelvic floor muscles plays a very important role. It plays an important role in both male also and the female also. Female, as we all know, yes, during the pregnancy, during the birthing process, pelvic floor muscle plays an important role. If you strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, it helps you in the birthing process. Yes, many problems, many complications can be avoided just by doing the pelvic floor exercises. Yes, it supports the abdominal organs, pelvic floor. It supports your urinary bladder, uterus. If you strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, it helps you to prevent the urinary incontinence. Yes, urine leakage ki problem. The problem of urine leakage, urine incontinence. Unable to hold the urine for long. Next is you can avoid the uterus prolapsed by strengthening the pelvic floor muscles. Post surgery, it also very helpful to strengthen the pelvic floor muscle. Any abdominal surgery we can talk about. It supports our bowel, bladder and the uterus. So pelvic floor muscles are very important to do. Not only for females, for males also. So today I am going to tell you few of the pelvic floor exercises. Yes. First is the first and very common exercises. First is to hold the urine and relax. As to do the movement, as you have to hold the urine and then relax, contract. Hold the urine and relax. Hold the urine and relax. Second exercise is your buttock squeeze. Both your buttocks muscle, this buttocks muscle, squeeze your buttock muscles, hold it for 10 seconds and relax. Squeeze, you can do in sitting also, in reverse, in prone position, like prone position is lying down on your stomach, or in the standing position also. Place both the hands on your buttocks, contract it, hold it, count 10 and relax. Second exercise is the Kegel exercise. What is Kegel exercise? To contract the pelvic floor muscle, contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax. Next exercise is lie down straight, take a pillow between the knees, press it, squeeze the pillow, 10-second hold, relax. Squeeze, 10-second hold, relax. Next exercise is breathing. So next exercise is breathing. For breathing, you have to lie down straight, bend both the knees together, hands along the body, lift your back up, hold it for 10 seconds by the count of 10 and make it down. Again, lift your up, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Next exercise is clamshell. We call it as a clamshell. Join both the ankles together, then separate both the knees. Hold. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then up. Again hold, then up. Again hold, then up. You can do this exercise in the sideline position also. Like in the sideline, knees together, up and down, up and down, and relax. Next is your squats. Squats exercises. You can do the half squats also, chair squats also, and you can do the full squats. 15 repetitions minimum to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. Next is your bird dog, or what you have to do for this exercise, you have to come on the all four positions like this. You have to lift the one leg and one hand diagonal like this. 1. Hold it for 10 seconds and then back. Next to the other side, straight, hold it for 10 seconds, then back. This is also called as bird dog exercises. So I repeat, for pelvic floor exercises, Kegel exercise, breathing exercise, bird dog exercise, clump shell exercise, buttock squeeze exercise, gluteal bridge. All these exercises are very important, and the squats also, yes, for the pelvic floor muscle strengthening. Do these exercises to strengthen your pelvic floor muscle and to avoid many complications. If you have any problem, any concern, feel free to ask any question. Any medical emergency, any complications, please do it under the supervision of any expert guidance. And if you are pregnant, please follow the advice of your gynecologist before doing the exercise. If she recommends, then only you can do the pelvic floor exercises. Thank you and regard. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, my Facebook page and my Instagram handle by the name of Dr. Rakhi Anand Physiotherapy and Lifestyle Clinic. Thank you and regards.